Friends, today I'm going to show you how to open a Outlook account. Outlook account used to uh, Skype and Outlook accounts is used to most office software, etc, etc, and it can use also cloud storage, 15 GB free cloud storage that you can use like Google Gmail account. So let's start how to open a Outlook account, email account. First you have to open a browser, any browser you can use for that. Let's there type Outlook and click hit here and look this, we see it on their option is sign in, and it's below we see create free account. Hit here. Now open a new interface and you have to type here a unique email name. I'm typing a different email name. Pro. Next. Oh, there wants a new password. Create a password. See how to create a Outlook password. It's different from Gmail password. It's very easy. Select country, Bangladesh, there Bangladesh, date of birth, days and year. Next. And you have to enter a to share, see you that you can change new. Oh, it's easy. Next. Oh, it's wrong. Let's try it again. 6. Now your account is ready, and you have to language English and select a time zone. I am in Bangladesh, so I have to use 6 plus. Dhaka. Where is Dhaka? Dhaka. Oh, see this Dhaka, and save. Now I have a Outlook account that use any of Microsoft Office or Windows 10, OneDrive, Google, Outlook, Dropbox. Everything use only Outlook account. So you need a Outlook account, and their inbox confirmation of without any phone number you can use open a Outlook account. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel if you want new or critical tutorial for everyday. I upload every day a tutorial. And thanks for watching everyone. Good luck.